Hi, I'm Sean Keefe. I run sales enablement for Skybox Security, and here's a demonstration video covering the operational console. Automation is a key strength and component of the Skybox platform. There are many activities that operators want to perform on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Skybox has an automation system made up of tasks and task sequences. These are managed through the operational console. The operational console can be accessed from the assurance or risk clients, choosing Operational Console from the menu bar. On the left side, in the admin pane, we'll choose the All Tasks folder. Here we can see a list of example tasks that have been created. Pretty much any activity we want to perform more than once will have a task created for it. Among other things, creating the network model and keeping it up to date are important functions that get carried out by tasks. These functions include maintenance tasks like backing up the model and downloading a new vulnerability dictionary, importation activities like importing device configuration and routing tables or vulnerability scan results, analysis activities like finding policy violations and running attack simulation, and generation activities like creating reports and tickets. Each task has different parameters specific to the information necessary to run that task. Some elements are common to certain tasks. For instance, most collection tasks need to have addresses and authentication information. Let's create an example task for collecting data from a Cisco firewall. We'll start by choosing New Task from the menu bar. This will open up the New Task dialog window. We'll start here with the task type. For our example, we'll choose the Cisco firewall. Now we'll fill in the fields for address, username, password, and change the enabling command if that's necessary. We'll also choose the collector we want the task to run from and give our task a name. There are other fields you might need to change to make the task work in your environment. Take a look at the Advanced tab if the task doesn't complete successfully. Once the task has all the fields filled in, we can either push the OK button to save it, or push the Launch button to save and run the task. For now, we'll just press the OK button and save it. Now we can see our completed task. If we ran it, we could look at the Messages tab to see success and error messages from running the task. These messages would become very useful if the task were to fail and we needed to troubleshoot why it was failing. Tasks typically fail due to issues with access from the collection appliance or authentication misconfigurations. While it's possible to run this task alone, that kind of defeats the purpose of automation. Automation is accomplished by combining multiple tasks together in a task sequence and then associating the sequence with a schedule. Again, while it's possible to associate an individual task with a schedule, it's much easier to manage using task sequences. Let's choose the daily run sequence on the left in the admin pane. Here we can see a list of tasks that would commonly be run on a daily basis. We see tasks like backing up the data, dictionary update, analysis, and generation tasks. Task sequences are created in a similar fashion to tasks. Once the task sequence is made, new tasks are added and their order is arranged. The order is very important. You wouldn't want to run the analyze task before the tasks that collect the data to be analyzed. We'll add our new task right before the analysis tasks. So now we have backup data, do a dictionary update, import Cisco Firewall, and then analyze fire changes and so forth. Lastly, the sequence is associated with a schedule. In this case, we're going to run the task sequence every night. Here we can see it occurs every day at 9 p.m. This will keep our model up to date and prepare the system to deliver ad hoc query results throughout the day. In summary, tasks and task sequences are responsible for the automation aspect of Skybox. Tasks and task sequences are easy to create and manage. The creation of tasks represents one of the largest bodies of work performed by a sales engineer during a proof of concept or a professional services engineer during a production deployment. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit our website for additional videos and resources.